Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing one of the most comfortable and delicious meal you can make with simple ingredients. Nigerian potatoes porridge. This hearty one-pot dish is packed with flavor, nutritious vegetable and tender potatoes cooked to perfection. Whether you are looking for an easy family meal, a budget-friendly recipe, or just something warm and satisfying, you are in the right place. So grab your ingredients and let's make these delicious potatoes together. So over here we have our Irish potatoes, okay? So it all depends on the quantity that you want to cook, okay? So I went ahead to peel the potatoes, but make sure you have your water beside you, okay? Just the way you are seeing here on the screen, okay? You cut to your desired size. If you feel like not cutting it, it's okay, it's all right, okay? If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do well to support us. Subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free of charge. It doesn't cost you anything, okay, my beautiful people? Like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. To my returning subscribers, God bless you. I love you guys. So guys, you can see over here we are done with the potatoes. All right, wash and transfer into your cooking pot. I went in to season it up. I added my chopped onions. You add to your taste. Feel free to use any vegetable seasonings of choice. I went in with some salt, season cube. All right. At this point, I added my crayfish. This is grounded crayfish. You add to your taste. Of course, I love crayfish. I beg you, for those of you that don't like crayfish, please skip, okay? So I went in with my leftover stew. Yes, this is leftover sauce, okay? Stew, you can use red oil in this recipe if you want, okay? I added little vegetable oil. You can as well skip. So I now went in with some water to the level of the potatoes in the pot, okay? Once I'm done with that, I'll now give it a nice stir. You mix, feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings, okay? And I mean feel free, palo or water go cool down. With love in our hand. At this point, it is perfect. Now I close the pot and continue cooking. Okay, let's cook until it is well done. So next, we are going to be cutting our spinach. So here I'm using spinach for this recipe. You can use any vegetable of choice. You can use ugu, you can use any green vegetable of choice. You can as well use nchuang, that is scent leaf, okay? So that is it. Now cut it the way you want, just the way I'm doing here. You cut until you are done consuming them up. All right.
Like Sunday hug, soup they warm like grandma's rock. No recipe, not feeling she use, not memory she they produce. As she turn and ways they go, she they dance and you go know. Say this food.
Over here you can see we are done with the vegetables. So let's go ahead to check our pot. The lamb. The aroma coming up from this kitchen, you cannot resist it. So guys, when turning, you turn it gently, okay? So I now went in with my cut spinach, okay? You add to your taste. When I mean you add to your taste, you add any quantity of choice. So I'm done. I'll give it a nice stir. You stir gently. Now cover the pot and allow cook to cook for at least 2 more minutes. Do not overcook your vegetable, okay?
This food, not get this love, no hush. Mira.
Some minutes later, we are checking on the pot. I am checking on the pot. Talantantala. So, guys, I'm so happy at this point because our food is ready. Give it a nice stir and turn off your cooker. Serve and enjoy. This porridge tasted so super delicious. If you are not a lover of potatoes, I bet you on this recipe. Try it, you will not regret it. You will love it and you will keep asking for more. So beautiful people, hope you try out this recipe. If you will, let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you guys in our next cooking video and remember blessed. Bye.